I'm opening up the air filter, the BMC. I cleaned it before I went to Ladakh, 5,300 kilometers approximately. Let's see what it looks like. Pretty filthy, I must say. A lot of dust. No wonder it was losing a bit of performance towards the end of the ride. Time to clean it up. Let us give it a good spray on the inside. And a little bit on the outside too. So, leave it for a few minutes. Come back. About half an hour done. I think the detergent would have worked its magic. So next is to take it and wash it in running water. So let's go do that. Washy. Just running water. Please do not apply any pressurized water. It can rip the fabric. Detergent and gentle running water under the tap. The color has changed already. Both inside and outside. Let's give it a small shake out. Just look at the color of the water. This is the amount of dust that was collected in here. I guess that's enough water. Let's rinse it a few times. Yeah, that should be good enough. Now to let it dry. Perhaps it requires a whole day, depends on the climate and the weather. I'm in no hurry to take my motorcycle out, so I'll just let it dry naturally. Not force dry it with a hairdryer or a fan. Now, let's get this dried up and then spray it with the oil. Set up for drying. Overnight drying, nice and dry. So time to spray with some oil. Spray on the outside, the air inlet side. This is the engine side, this is where the air goes in. So this is where we need to spray. Just a quick coat, not to overload. That should do it. So that's the process to clean a BMC. Wash it, let it dry, spray the oil and put it back, get the performance back. Do this every 5,000 kilometers.